In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chess.com Vision Trainer. If you want to build quick, reliable board awareness and speed up your decision making, this tool is perfect. It's designed to help you recognize coordinates accurately and execute moves under gentle time pressure, which translates directly to faster, more confident play. There are two simple ways to open it. The fastest route is to go straight to chess.com/vision. Type that into your browser and the trainer will load right away. If you're already on the site using a desktop and prefer to navigate through menus, look to the left-hand menu, click on More, hover over Vision, and then select Vision from the options. It's usually listed among the learning tools in that More section. Once you're in, you'll choose how you want to train. The modes are the heart of the trainer. In coordinates, you practice finding specific squares by name, sharpening your mental map of the board. This is ideal for building instant recognition of files and ranks, like spotting e4 or c7 without hesitation. In moves, you practice making specific moves quickly and cleanly, reinforcing piece patterns and legal move pathways. If you want variety and a more game-like pace, pick the mixed option to alternate between identifying squares and executing moves. A good approach is to start with coordinates to lock in the grid, then layer in moves for practical fluency. Next, choose your piece color. You can train as white, as black, or switch between both. This setting adjusts your perspective so you learn to read the board from each side, which is crucial because the orientation flips your sense of left and right. If you're new to this, begin with one color to build confidence, then alternate to avoid one-sided habits. The goal is straightforward. Find the designated square or make the requested move as quickly as possible within a time limit, such as 30 seconds. Aim for smooth accuracy first, then push your pace. Keep your eyes steady, avoid chasing the cursor, and try quietly naming the coordinates in your head to reinforce memory. If you feel rushed, that's normal. Focus on staying precise, and your speed will naturally rise across rounds. When you're ready, start a run, watch the clock, and keep your rhythm. After a quick session, reset and try again, comparing how many correct actions you complete within the same time. Short, consistent practice here can make a noticeable difference in your over-the-board and online play. Let's dive in and get your vision locked in.